Changing the email link to your PayPal account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Visit the PayPal website or open the app and log in using your current credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol, located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to Email section. In the Account Settings menu, find the Email section. Here, you will see your current email address linked to your account. Step 4. Add a new email address. Click on the option to add a new email address. Enter the new email you wish to link to your account and click Add Email. Step 5. Confirm the new email address. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation email from PayPal. Click the confirmation link in that email to verify and finalize the change. After completing these steps, your PayPal account will be updated with the new email address. Make sure to check your account settings to ensure everything is correct.